Step 1. Remove the panel. Use a pry tool to remove this panel. There's a little hole where you can stick the tool into to remove the temperature sensor. Try go left and right to help you pry it more easily. And loose the screw of the temperature sensor. Take off this cover that you won't use it after. For Model Y and newer Model 3. As for old Model 3, you need to only unplug the sensor. Step 2. Remove the screen. Use a 10mm socket to remove 2 bolts holding the screen, then move the screen gently, pull it out. Step 3. Remove the screen fixed mount. Using a T25-bit screwdriver to remove these 2 screws. Now you're able to take the screen mount out and then move this little white bracket. You'll see a red plug here and then unplug it. Take away this fixed mount that you'll no longer need it. Step 4. Install this metal mount. Slide this metal mount in and put the 2 10mm socket bolts back into its place, and tighten them up. Step 5. Install the cover plate. Put the cover plate on the right position. Before you fixing it, make sure the wire is through the cover plate, and then attaching the cover plate to the dash. Step 6. Install the swivel mount. Put the wire through the swivel mount and reattach the red plug, then use a T25 screwdriver to tighten up these 2 T25-bit screws. Make sure it's well and tight. Step 7. Install the screen back on. Just slide right back on, then put the 2 bolts that came with the kit to fix the screen. Step 8. Install the little panel on. For Model Y and newer Model 3, as the temperature sensor is fixed with the wire, then we only need to install this panel on the sensor, and tighten the screw. But for old Model 3, as the sensor is separated, so you need to pull the sensor out of the old panel and then install it in the new panel, the one with hole on it, and then plug it into the cable. After tighten the screw, just put back the panel. Then you're done installing the swivel mount.